Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Another video, another panty haul. So for today's video, I have a new list all the way from Shopee University. Ayan, so I have here guys, this is white and this is light blue. Okay, so unahin muna natin tong light blue. Okay, so the light blue, ayan, maganda po ang kanyang quality. The quality is really nice, really good. Ayan, ganyan siya sa loob. Medyo mumurahin lang niya siya guys. This is cheap only, okay? Ganito yung kanyang garter. The garter is like this. Ayan, so the inside is ganito siya. Okay, double naman siya. And anyway guys, ayan, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Ayan, comment below if you like the video and a heart also. Like and share. Thank you. Ayan, ganyan siya. And ganito din siya sa likod. Okay, so ganyan. Okay, so ang next naman is the white one. The white one is I really like. It's fit to my clothes. Ayan, ganyan siya. Very nice. Ganyan. Ganito din siya sa likod, and then the garter is ganito. Ganyan siya ang garter niya, o diba? Ganyan. And then sa loob is ganyan din siya. Show you guys. Ganyan siya sa loob. And then, yeah, it is very nice also. Cheap lang din siya guys ha. All the way from Shopee University. Ayan, thank you very much. Ayan, for watching guys. Ayan, ganyan siya. I like it. I hope you like it. Tell me guys which one is better, the white one or the light blue. Okay, so ayan, it's nice quality also. Ganyan siya sa likod. Wala siyang garter dito sa baba. I hope this is fit to me. Okay, of course let's wear this and tingnan natin kung ano siya sa akin. So guys, this is the light blue. Ang ganda ng kanyang fitting. Ganyan siya guys, very nice. Ayan, ganyan. I like it also the color. Yung bagay siya sa skin tone ko. And it's fit lang siya sa akin. Okay? Ganyan siya. Like it. Ayan. So it's here also. Ganyan siya. Very thin. Ayan. Very thin guys. Ganyan siya sa likod. Pak. Very thin but I like it. Ayan. You like it guys. Maganda ang kanyang quality. Heart. The likod also is nice. Ganyan yung kanyang dito. Wow. I like it also the quality. This one. I hope the white one also is nice. Kasi very thin nga siya. But I like it. Okay. Suot natin yung isa guys. Guys, maganda talaga siya. I really like it. Right? And then sa likod, ayan, ganyan, very nice. I like also yung katanaw guys, so it's very thin lang siya guys. Yan. Kita mo pa ang skin. Ayan siya guys, very good quality also. Tell me guys in the comment section which one is better, the white one or the light blue, okay? So I know which color is fit to me. Thank you for watching everyone. Heart.